Hi everyone, welcome to my tutor My Study IQ. Today we are going to learn some important aspect of codings. I am going to motion tab and I use move block. So I am going to drag this. When I am going to click on this, the by default speeds, the ball is move by default 10 steps in forward direction, and I am going to set the ball default position in 90 degrees. So I am going to type 0, and this is first you have to understand what do you mean by x axis and y axis. I am use the ball position horizontal side in 0 block and the vertical side is 0. So it means the ball direction is exactly a 90 degree. This is the 90 degree of the ball position. So I am want to move this block horizontally in a 50 step forward. So this is movement is 50% in a horizontal side. This is the x axis. If I am going to forward x axis in 100 step, so I am going to type 100. So it will move 100% in default rotation in right side. If I want to move 100 position in left side, so I am going to press -100. So it will move left side of the current position. If I remove minus, so it will move to the right side of positions. So x means it will move left or right directions. If you want to move 100% forward, you have to use 100, and if you want to move backward or left side, you have to use -100. Second thing, this is the y. Y means if you want to move a ball in upside, so you have to type here, I am type 50. So ball will be move top. It will be top. And if I want to move back or bottom side, you have to press -50. This is the bottom side. So this is the verticals. You have to move any speeds vertically. You have to change y axis. Next thing, and here I am going to move 10 steps forward. Again I am use the by default positions are 0. This is 0. So I am going to press 10 steps. What will happen when I am going to press move steps? It will move 10 steps in a right side. So I am going to press. This is the 10 steps right side, but I want to move 80 steps forward. I am going to press on this. This is the 80 steps forward, but I want to move 80% in left side or backward. So I am going to use minus sign. So this is the minus sign. It will move in backward or left side. Next I am going to type 10 steps. So I am going to use, this is the 10 step forward, and I am going to use random position. What will mean of random position? When I am going to click on this, the first step are the ball will move 10 steps forward. After that will be go to the random position. Random position, but whenever the ball will move like here, and like here. It means the ball will move anywhere in your screen area. So this is the random position. Okay, I'm going to click on this. You see the ball will moving random position in anywhere on the screen. So this is the random position. Okay, so again I'm going to use control block, and I'm to use repeat 10 step. What do you mean by that? When you have to press and repeat 10, the ball will be move 10 times. So I am going to repeat. So the ball will move 10 times, but I want to move the ball 50 times. I am going to click on this. The ball will move and 50 times. Okay. Next, if I want to click on event block, and when I'm going to click on when I'm click, so the ball will be move on 50 times. This is the first one, and after that we have to use another speeds. Like I'm going to insert, this is a board. I want to apply the same coding of the ball. So what will happen? I'm going to copy this is drag and drop into the dot. So the same data will be copied in the dot speeds. So again I'm going to play this. What will happen? The both speeds are moving 10 steps. Next, what will happen when I am going to remove the block of repeat? This is a block. I am going to remove this, and I am going to use forever. So this is the forever block. This is forever, and I am going to use forever block. What will happen when I am going to click on this flag? It will move forever. The both speeds move forever. But what will happen? The ball will be the same position. Let's check what will happen with ball. This is a ball, because we do not change coding of ball. So I am going to delete this repeat 50 times, and in the place of repeat I am going to use forever. This is forever. I am going to move this all speed into the forever block. Again I am going to run this. Both the speeds are moving around. I am going to click on stop, and again this code will be moved to the code block, and again I am going to use motion, and I am to use a motion. Move 10 steps. After that I want to use pen. This is the pen. If you want to not getting the pen block here, you have to press on this and you have to click on the buttons and you have to display the pen block here. So next I am going to use pen down. So what will happen when I am going to click on this? So the ball move 10 steps forward and the pen down. I am going to run this. I am going to run this. What will happen? The ball will be moving with pen colors. Okay. I am going to remove the pot. This is the pot, and I am going to use the same block with random position. So this is the random position. I am going to use this position random. Okay. What will happen when I am going to click this? The block, the random position will be running. I am going to use the same block. This is the same block in forever block. So I am going to use forever block, and this is forever. So I am going to use the forever block. What will happen when I am going to press this? First forever block will be executed, and in forever block you have to see the ball move 10 steps forward. After that it will go to the random positions, and after that behind the ball the pen will be moving or running. So I am going to run this program. This is the program. Where the ball will be moving, it will behind the ball the pen will be running. So this is the code. Hope you understand very well. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.